rise like yeast in a Lamington. I'm kinda like this beast in a labyrinth. See a winning man when they see me pause for the camera. I'm a son of a gun, son of a killer, son of a son. And each and every day getting bigger, feeling willing each and every day. Feeling I'm a killer, never fearing, cause it's clear that I'ma be a winner. I'm in the heat of the mo, pinnacle of my life, my mind, in control of it all. No doubt I will fall and get to rise to the top. Even more tall, smash another obstacle. I'ma shine my light right into challenges. Find my might, but really the challenge. Keep it real, keep the deal sealed with the balance. Too much of one thing gets hard to manage. Won't panic, I know that I'm focused. I'm open to all that is flowing. It's made for me only. It's crazy, I'm bold and amazing. I'm vulnerable, you can get lost at the same time. Your power is peaking and really just getting you hyped up. Really, it might just be the reason that you keep on fighting.